What's up, people? Today is day 82, and I am so happy because I finally finished page 19 and I uploaded it, started sharing it, and everything like that. Instagram, website, all that good stuff. And I am ready to move on to the next page as well as start working on this booklet. I maybe have a day and a half free time, and I really need to get this booklet, at least get a proof of this booklet in before February. That way I can make the adjustments I need to make and then um, order what I need to. And probably what I'm going to start with first is making some prints so I can like put them in the booklet and maybe even a cover, I think, for the booklet I'm going to make. Still don't know what to call it, mini comic or booklet, but whatever. Um, that, and I've been thinking about um, buying another domain name, because telling people about the comic and where to go to find it, blackwallstreetthecomic.com. It I ran into an issue with a friend of mine, so it still seemed a little inconvenient to hear and pick up on when trying to promote and get people to support that want to support it. BLKWST, thecomic.com. So I was looking into buying the domain name, just spelled out blackwallstreetthecomic.com. And I don't know if I can buy two and then connect both of them to a Tumblr page. I was about to buy it, but then I stopped because I wanted to make sure I could even make it work. So I'm going to research that or research it a little bit more before I actually go through with it. But that's probably where I'm going to go, to make sure that people people that are looking for it can actually find it when they search for it. Yeah, so I just want to try to take advantage of my time. And I don't really have much right now because I got to go to work in a little bit, but I'll be back to do some more work later on. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for me. See you tomorrow.